Hello friends, in today's video, we are going to compare Realme 9i versus Realme 9i 5G with full specifications like display, design, performance, Antutu benchmarks, and price. And are going to know which is the best smartphone for you. So friends, please watch the entire video and let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Let's start with a display comparison. In a comparison of screen size, Realme 9i has a 6.6 inches screen, and the Realme 9i 5G also has a 6.6 inches screen. If you look at the display type, both phones comes with an IPSLCD display. Realme 9i has a resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels, whereas the Realme 9i 5G has a resolution of 1080 by 2408 pixels. Realme 9i has a 400 pixels density, and the Realme 9i 5G also has 400 pixels. In the aspect ratio, both the phones are equally comes with a 20:9 ratio. In a comparison of screen to body ratio, Realme 9i has 84.51% and Realme 9i 5G has 85.18%. In a refresh rate comparison, Realme 9i supports up to 90Hz higher refresh rate, and the Realme 9i 5G also supports up to 90Hz higher refresh rate. In a display protection, Realme 9i comes with Dragon Trail Pro display protection, while the Realme 9i 5G comes with Panda Glass protection. Friends, let's make a design comparison between these two phones. Looking at these two phones' physical height, Realme 9i has 164.4mm, and the Realme 9i 5G also has 164.4mm. Realme 9i has 75.7mm in the width, while the Realme 9i 5G has 75.1mm width. Realme 9i has 8.4mm in the thickness, while the Realme 9i 5G has 8.1mm. Looking at these two phones' weight, Realme 9i has 190 grams, while the Realme 9i 5G has 187 grams. If you look at the colors of these two phones, Realme 9i comes with two different colors, and the Realme 9i 5G also comes with two different colors. Friends, now let us compare about the camera and its features. Realme 9i has a triple camera setup, including a 50 megapixels main camera, a 2 megapixels depth camera, and a 2 megapixels macro camera. And the Realme 9i 5G also has a triple camera setup, with a 50 megapixels main camera, a 2 megapixels depth camera, and a 2 megapixels macro camera. If you look at the video resolution of these phones, Realme 9i supports up to Full HD resolution at 30 fps, and the Realme 9i 5G also supports up to Full HD resolution at 30 fps. In a comparison of front camera, Realme 9i comes with a 16 megapixels selfie camera, with a Full HD video resolution at 30 fps, while the Realme 9i 5G comes with an 8 megapixels selfie camera, with a Full HD video resolution at 30 fps. Now let's compare the hardware between these two phones. Looking at the processor of both phones, Realme 9i comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 chipset, whereas the Realme 9i 5G comes with a MediaTek Dimensity 810 chipset. In a CPU comparison, Realme 9i supports up to octa-core 2.2 GHz clock speed, while the Realme 9i 5G supports up to octa-core 2.4 GHz clock speed. In the GPU comparison, Realme 9i comes with an Adreno 610 GPU, while the Realme 9i 5G comes with a Mali G57 GPU. Let's compare the operating system. Realme 9i comes with a Realme UI based Android 12 operating system, and the Realme 9i 5G also comes with a Realme UI based Android 12 operating system. Friends, let's compare the storage between these two phones. Realme 9i comes with three variants: 4GB RAM with 64GB storage, 4GB RAM with 128GB storage, and 6GB RAM with 128GB storage. While the Realme 9i 5G comes with two variants: 4GB RAM with 64GB storage, and 6GB RAM with 128GB storage. Both these phones comes with the memory card slot. Friends, let's compare the battery between these two phones. The battery capacity in Realme 9i has 5000 mAh, and in the Realme 9i 5G also has 5000 mAh. Realme 9i supports 33 watts fast charge, while the Realme 9i 5G supports only 18 watts fast charge. Now let's compare the rest of the connectivity and features in these phones. Both these phones comes with an USB Type-C port. Both these phones comes with a 3.5mm audio jack. Both these phones doesn't have an NFC support. Both these phones doesn't have an IR blaster. Realme 9i doesn't support the 5G network, while the Realme 9i 5G does supports the 5G network. Both these phones comes with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Realme 9i has a Bluetooth 5.0 version, while the Realme 9i 5G has a Bluetooth 5.2 version. Friends, let's take a look on the benchmark score of these two phones. In our Antutu benchmark score comparison, Realme 9i has scored 271,963, while the Realme 9i 5G has scored 385,373. Now let's compare price. If you look at the Realme 9i, the 4GB 64GB variant is priced at 13,499 rupees, 4GB 128GB variant is priced at 14,999 rupees, and 6GB 128GB variant is priced at 15,999 rupees. Realme 9i 5G, the 4GB 64GB variant is priced at 14,999 rupees, and 6GB 128GB variant is priced at 16,999 rupees. Friends, please like this video and subscribe my channel for more smartphone comparison videos.